How to turn on flashlight when phone rings in Realme. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how you can enable flashlight on incoming calls on your Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started. For that you have to open up settings in your device. Scroll down to your system settings. Once you're here search for an option as accessibility. Once you find the accessibility option, tap on accessibility. There, you will find an option as flash on call. Make sure to turn on the toggle for the incoming call flash. Now, this will activate the flashlight to blink whenever you receive a call. In case if you cannot find the accessibility on their system, you could always use the search bar and search for accessibility. And in case if you don't see the flash and call option, where some of the devices might not have the feature by default, so in that case you can use a free application from Play Store, such as flash notifications for all app or flash alerts on call and SMS, or you could also use Truecaller, which may have flash option in some version. So for that, open up Play Store and search for an application as flash notification for all app. Now you could install one from here, follow the on-screen instruction and set it up in your device. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.